I am ALIAS George from ABatch. So this is the third example of the SOP reduction using the QM method. Here there is a don't care condition also. It is an SOP expression with the min terms 1, 2, 3, 5, 9, 12, 14, 15. And in addition, there is a don't care 4, 8, and 11. When the case of the don't cares, there is a very slight difference from the normal case in QM method that I will explain. So the first step in this QM method is to draw the binary representation table. Then the grouping of the binary representation table. Then comparison, finding the matched pairs. So I won't be explaining how to do that. If you don't know, you can refer the example 1 video. There I deeply explaining all that things. Now you can pause here and complete all the binary representation. Or before, one more thing, here you may not know what is this don't care, what I will do that. So please consider now don't care to be the min terms. So we can reframe this question as there is not at all don't care condition. So find the reduction of this SOP expression containing the min terms 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 9, 11, 12, 14, 15. There is no down care condition, and all the down cares are treated as min terms. So please consider now down cares has to be min terms and draw the binary representation table and the grouping and all the matching pairs, first comparison table, second comparison table. You can pause now and complete the work. So I hope you all got this binary representation table. This will be like this. Now you can either mention don't care on the downside or along with the min terms, no problem is there. Just to notate don't care, use the word D or you can highlight. So this is what binary representation you should get. Then this is the first comparison table and the second comparison table. One thing I need to add that the second comparison table onwards, you cannot make a matched pairs to form the third comparison table. So second comparison table is not at all a matching pair. That is why I made a cross here. You can see that because this can't form a matched pair with any of further groups. So there is no further groups. That is the main reason. So I note it as a matched cross. In this case also, it cannot form a matched pair. So that is why I made it as a cross. The next step is to create the PI chart. That is the prime implicant chart, or it is also known as the coverage table. So we can create that. Okay. So PI chart or the coverage table. Here, one thing is to note that don't include don't care terms in the listing. I will go explain this. Okay. So now create a PI chart. So this will be our PI chart. And there will be one column for PI, next for the midterms involved and the midterms. So here in the question, we have got 1, 2, 3, and 9, 12, 14, 15 are the midterms and don't care 4, 8, 11. While listing in the PA chart, don't include the don't cares midterms, only include this thing. Okay. So we can include M1 there, M2 there, no problem, M3, M5, M9, M12, M14, M15. Don't add don't care terms. That is what written here. Make a group. Okay, so first this is PI, this is the midterms involved. Okay, so first check the unchecked in the first comparison table. So M1 and M5 is an unchecked. Its binary representation is 0-01. Compare it with the ABCD. As the our function input is here, you can see the function input is ABCD. So compare with the 0-01 with our function input. So we can see that it is 0-01. I will write here 0 0-01 and ABCD. So in the SOP, 0 means that's complement. 1 means that value itself. So how we can write this? A dash C dash D. This everyone I know, I think. Yeah, this is all one. So we can write this as first unchecked one. It is A dash C dash D. This is the first one. Then complete all that. Then the second unchecked one is here. This one, then this one, all right. And the second comparison table also last you need to write. So here the next prime implicant will be I am writing down. Okay, you can pause and write down. Then next one it is A dash B dash D, A dash B C dash, C B dash D dash, then A dash A B dash C dash, then A C dash D dash. That's also the other. Let me check. Okay, yeah, it's A B D dash, A B C, and the last one, no, not last one, the second last one, A C D, and the last one is one more column we need. Okay, one more row we need. That is for the second comparison. This one, this one. So it will be, it's like B dash D, B dash D. I think you all got this. This is what pH chart forming. Okay, we can draw it neatly. Okay. Sorry. This is our pH chart. And the first A dash C dash D, which all midterms are included. You can check that. Okay. The first one, you can see that M1 and M5 are included. So please write that also. 1 and 5 are included. So similarly, all you write down A dash C B dash C 2, 3 included. 2 and 3 included. And A dash B C dash 4, 5 included. Then next for B dash B no next one it is, sorry, let me check, 4 and 5 included. Next one it is B, I written it wrong, I think. Okay, let me correct that. Okay, here it is, should be B C dash D dash, should be like this. Yeah, B C dash D dash. So it is 4, 12. And A dash A B dash C dash, it is 8, 9. Now it is A C dash D dash, it is 8 and 12. Okay, it will be taking time. You can pause and or you can skip this. A, B, D dash, that is 12, 14, and the ABC, that is the 14, 15, and the 11, 15, last 1, 3, 9, and 11. We can skip this, okay. If you complete means you can skip. ACD. AC, okay, there is one more mistake. It's not AB. No, ACD. That's correct. Okay, sorry. ACD. So this is our midterm. Next thing is, so these all are the columns. Okay, this is the rows. So here it is midterms are 1 and 5. Just cross that 1 and 5. And before that, going one more thing I need to add. Just note which all are the don't cares in that. So here 4 and 8 are the don't cares for 8, 11. Please note that. It will be useful later. Okay, I will tell you what. So 2, 3, you can cross it. 4 is a don't care. 5 you can cross it. 12 you can cross it. 9 you can cross it. 12 you can cross it. 12 and 40, 14, 50, 50, and the 1, 3, 9. So then check this column. Column wise you can check and look for only one cross. Here the first column there is 2 cross. You can see there is a cross, there is a cross. And for the second column there is only 1 cross. Please round that. For third column, but in every column there is 2 or 3 crosses. So the column which has only one, this one cross, you can round that, and the corresponding column, that is this one, this column. So this row, sorry, this column only one. So we can round that. Corresponding row is we can call it it's already a prime implicant. If there is a route, we can call it as a essential prime implicant. That is an essential prime implicant, and that essential prime implicant it will be covering midterm 2 and 3. So please tick 2 and 3 is already covered. Then you can see that M1 is not covered, M5, M9, M12, M14, M15, these are all not covered. So what will be doing next? What is the next step? So we can go column and row dominance. That is the next step you should follow. That is what I will be explaining. So please take this row first. M1 column first. Sorry, I am misleading row and column. Okay, sorry. M1 column first. Then there are 2 crosses, right? So there is 1 cross here and another cross here. Corresponding prime implicants are B dash D and A dash C dash D. So there are 2 possibilities we can select. Either we can select A dash C dash D dash C D, or we can select B dash D. If we select either, only we can select one, okay. One only we can round for M1. If we select, it is up to you, or you can select either of things. So generally we are selecting the midterms or the prime implicants which will cover the maximum number of midterms. That is a general method we are following. So you can see here that the first midterm, the first prime implicant will only cover 1 and 5, but last will cover 1, 3, 9, this much will cover. So just take that. You can also select A dash, C dash and D also, okay. General practice is this way. So this I select as a prime implicant. So this prime implicant will cover M1, it will cover, you can see that this much will cover. So it will be covering M1, M3 already covered, M9 it will cover, M11 is a don't care. So next M5 is not at all covered. So just to take the column of M5 and same the method you should follow. There are 2 possibilities, this or this. If they select, then this will be selected. If this means this is our essential prime implicant. So we can see which all will cover the maximum number of midterms. If we select this, 1 and 5 is covered. 1 is already covered. So 5 will be covering additionally. If we select this, 4 is a what you can say don't care condition, 5 will be covering additionally. So you can select either of things, no problem. Or you can select, I'll be selecting here this one, A dash, C dash, D dash, just because there is a don't care. While comparing to these things, only 5 will be covering additionally. But I don't choose that because 4 is a don't care, so we can just leave that. Better of the two, I think it will be 1 and 5. So just this, taking this. It's not problem. You can select A dash, B, C dash also. There is no problem. Okay. So M5 is covered. Next, M12 should be covered. There are three possibilities for M12. If we select this things, 12 will be covered. If we select this, 12 again will be covered. If we select this, 12 and 14 will be covered. So as I earlier told, the prime implicant which should covering the maximum number of midterms, we should select that as the essential prime implicant. So this is our essential prime implicant. So M12 and M14 is covered. So last and our M15 is not at all covered. There is two possibilities for M15 also, this and this. If we select this means 14, 15 will be covered. If we select this means 11 and 15 will be covered. So maximum number of midterms is for ABC. So just select that as our essential prime implicant. So take all the essential prime implicants and please remember that it is an SOP expression. So add it up. So A dash C dash D plus A dash B dash D plus A B D dash plus A B C plus B dash D. One more thing I am adding. You can choose any of these things and make the final expression. There is not at all a problem. But you can follow a general way to select the prime implicants, which will be covering more number of midterms. If two prime implicants is covering same number of midterms, as we see in this case, that M5 and this case M5 no. So two possibilities are here. If we select this also, 1 and 5 will be covered, 4 and 5 will be covered. Only 5 will be additionally covering by this 2 also. So in that case, just avoid the don't care and select the best one. This is the best one. Okay. You can also select this, no problem at all, and continue the problem. So the final expression will be this. Thank you.